Hi, welcome back. Today I'm very excited to introduce you to the newest update of the Traveler 3.0.8, and now team always involved to meet your need. It has always been the best option for travel business owner who want to make a website that are interesting, engaging, and easy to use. So you can check out Team on Team Forest. Go to Team Forest, search Traveler WP, and see our change on the newest version. We provide a 6 new design layout on only one demo for you. Each of these layouts is made to meet the specific needs of hotel and resort owner, focusing on those who offer their client high-end spa services. So, if you want to give your customer an immersive and fascinating online experience, we hope that these styles are made just for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Paradise Resort Hotel. When the page loads, you can look at the peaceful blue and green that sets the mood for relaxation and health. You also see the beautiful position of these striking images throughout this style, and these pictures make a great first impression, whether they show your hotel fancy room, spa services, or beautiful views. This layout makes your resorts a virtual paradise, making the experience immersive and welcoming right from the start. Number 2. Seaside Resort Hotel. Now let's look at how the Seaside Resort Hotel is set up. As soon as you land on the site, you feel the calming vibe of the coast, which stands for peace and rest. The design makes the sea view stand out, giving your possible guest the feeling of being at the beach. It is the big blue sky, the endless sea, or the clean sand. This picture takes you right to a seaside paradise. Along with the visual, the structure put this focus on the spa treatment. The main goal is to show how your guests can enjoy a complete health experience by combining the peace of the beach with the comfort of your resort spa. Number 3. Golf Resort Hotel. Let's move on to the Golf Resort Hotel. When you walk into this layout, you feel like you are at a golf club because of how big, quiet, and elegant it is. Greenery, which stands for nature and health, it is the important part of this style here. The images of your large green golf field blend in perfectly with those of your spa facility. This layout carefully blends the luxury of golf with the indulgence of the spa treatment, giving your guests an unique wellness experience. Number 4. Escape Resort Hotel. This layout gives your guests a sense of calm and privacy, like they've stepped into an oasis, far from the noise and chaos of everyday life. The design features are aimed to create a calm, luxurious atmosphere like what your resorts and spa offer, a place to get away from it all. And here, the main goal is to show a place where your friend can relax in peace. The picture of your quiet location, your comfortable room, and your peaceful spa facility are placed carefully throughout the design to show potential guests that they can expect peace and luxury. Number 5. Retreat Resort Hotel. This layout is made to feel like a hotel retreat, so its main idea are peace, healing, and taking care of yourself. And as you turn the page, you will see that the design features are intended to create a calm, peaceful atmosphere from the use of soft color imagery of peace and is focused on wellness center. Each section is devoted to showing off the different self-care amenities your resorts had to offer, like yoga classes, meditation space, or relaxing spa treatment. Number 6. Heaven Resort Hotel. Lastly, we will show you the layout of the Heaven Resort Hotel. The name suggests a luxurious spa experience that can be beaten, and this is exactly what the design is meant to show. And as we look through the page, we will see things that give off a feeling of wealth and exclusivity, elegance, color scheme, imagery of shopping, and putting the focus on your best spa services. Thus, all create a feeling of ultimate indulgence. Everything is carefully chosen to create a place where your guests can escape to enjoy exceptional comfort and relaxation. Okay, and if you want to import a new demo, you should go to WordPress dashboards in the left sidebar, hover over the theme setting, and click on Quick Install Demo, and select the newest demo to import. And you want to select the new layout as a home page, go to Setting on WordPress, click to Reading, and to a static post to the new layout you want. And this layout will be displayed on your home page. So we also add a number of new pages to improve the browsing experience of your guests. First, the search room and room detail page are designed to make room selection seamless and engaging, and here your guests can explore their room option in detail. Next, let's look at the event and event detail page, and this page lets you show off upcoming events at your resort and tell guests everything they need to know. And then we have the gallery and special offer page. This gives you a place to show off the beauty of your vacation and tell people about special deals that might get them excited. Following this, the service and service detail page show up all the different things your resorts had to offer, like spa treatment and gourmet food. Finally, the destination and blog detail page, and this page a great way to tell your guests more about where your vacation is and to keep them interested. So, if you want to learn more about each of the design, please visit our website, and you can find the link to these resources in the description below. Thank you for joining us today.